Will I love the Aquablade enough to purchase one? And will it keep me from procrastinating cleaning my windows? Hey beauties, it's Robyn. Welcome back. And now if this is your first time here, I make videos for overwhelmed moms who are trying to simplify life so they can actually relax and enjoy it. This video is not sponsored. Now I think it's safe to say that we all enjoy dirty windows. There's nothing more relaxing than enjoying a cup of tea, looking out your windows when you notice just how fingerprint laden they are. So the payoff to dirty windows would be feeling that little bit of stress when you realize that you haven't cleaned your windows properly, knowing that you are missing life and sunny days, and feeling bad about your window and housekeeping habits. Streaking.
We're going streaking! Yeah!
Maybe those are downsides. But then again, maybe you're actually to the point where you want to clean your windows and you want to do it easily. Some of the reasons why I neglect cleaning my windows is sometimes I make a mess when I clean my windows and it's more work than I actually want it to be. Well, I'm vertically challenged and I have to get a stool. So I contacted my friend Rachel, who lent me her Aquablade. This is a device for cleaning windows. I thought that there was an off chance that it might make cleaning windows easier, or maybe it's not great. And this allows me to continue to procrastinate so that I don't have to clean my windows because it's just too complicated, cumbersome, and hard. Well, we can only hope. So Instagram sensation Go Clean Co, who I've talked about a lot, and I'll link some videos in the card above there, they mention the Aquablade on a semi-regular basis. They are actually sponsored by Aquablade, and I am not, but I thought, hey, let's give it a go. So Rachel was kind enough to lend me her Aquablade. I was thinking this device might be easy to use and that I actually might want to invest in one, and this scares me a little bit. Now, my concern was that I would actually clean the windows and be able to see into the yard and all the work that has to be done there. It's a whole story. I don't want to get into it. I was right that I was wrong. It's pretty simple to use. Simply fill a bucket with hot water, some vinegar, and Dawn. This is recommended on the website. Now, make sure that you're using the froth to dip the microfiber into. Now, you can do this just by mixing it really well, or even get your whisk out if you need to. This helps avoid the mess of getting water all over the place, which was one of my concerns. So sadly, that took care of that. Now you rub it all over the window. Give it a good scrub. The next disappointing part was that it actually didn't make much of a mess at all. I just draw it down the window and it actually catches all the water in this cool little reservoir. For goodness sakes, I found myself cleaning all of my windows on the main level, inside and out. Now in just a minute, I'm gonna get to my overall review, but one of the things I really like that comes with the kit is that it comes with this extender pole, which is great for reaching high windows. I am vertically challenged, as we mentioned before, but an issue with the pole was that it did not hold the extension very well. And I checked with Rachel and I said, did you notice this? And she actually said she usually uses the short handle more. So she hadn't actually used the long handle, so she wasn't sure. So I offered to replace it for her. I actually had to adjust my hold, which was a bit of an issue for a shorty like me. Another thing is sometimes you had to do it more than once. You'd notice that, oh, the window was still dirty, but this is probably just because we were lazy and hadn't cleaned them for a while. Now guys, before I go on, I have an announcement to make. We are expecting. Yes, it's an Aquablade. Well, as long as it's healthy. I got my Aquablade in the mail, and all joking aside, it's actually really awesome. So the kit comes with the extender pole, the shorter pole, the larger Aquablade and the smaller Aquablade, and they're both very helpful. I used the larger one the most on most of the windows, but the smaller one was definitely helpful. Of course, it was helpful doing smaller windows and tight spaces. It also came with 2 microfiber cloths. This was actually really easy to use. This was the first time I've actually cleaned the outdoor windows. I usually leave that to my husband. He usually does it like once a year, and it's usually like late spring, just as summer's coming, and then the dust comes and it gets dirty. So I actually just went out and did it myself, and I could do it like anytime. It's so quick, it's so easy. Doing the inside windows are great. The kids, I see like footprints on the window right now. I don't know what that's about, but what's good is it doesn't stress me out because I'm like, oh, I can easily take care of this. Yay, I'm excited about it. So I bet a lot of you are kind of wondering about the spin mop that Go Clean Co talks about a lot. And I was wondering myself because I really like the e-cloth, and I thought, how does it compare to that? So click this video here because you can see the pros and cons of both and what I decided to do. Make sure you hit subscribe because I hope to see you next time. And if this is a video YouTube thinks you will like, all right, thanks for watching, beauties. Bye. My mom always said, don't wear horizontal stripes. Now